Hello guys, welcome to my channel Himanshu Verma, marketing psychologist. So today's topic is how to get clients from online sources for your business. Okay, so let me share my screen with you for this. So let's get started. Okay, so I think this is the screen. It's there. Okay, so the topic is how to get clients online. Okay, so there are many ways to get clients. So the first way is like by LinkedIn. Okay, so the first way is like LinkedIn. So by LinkedIn, you can get your clients because LinkedIn is a very professional tool, and in LinkedIn you can search with filters. Filters is based on location, industries, and industry like marketing, restaurant, and you can search any industries in any region. Like you can search digital marketers in Delhi or the civil engineer in Goregaon or something like this. Okay, so you can search based on their industry and their location on LinkedIn. LinkedIn allows you to make a total 30,000 connections. On LinkedIn, you can make 30,000 connections, and for a newbie or the mediocre, I think this is the huge number. And 30,000 is a huge number for the advanced also because you can get 30,000 connection on LinkedIn, and LinkedIn is very professional tool. So at the same time, when you start putting a lot of content in LinkedIn, people also start following you on LinkedIn. So it is very good thing. You need to put a lot of content on your LinkedIn profile, but don't spam your profile. Put regular content and related to your industry and related to your field. Don't put random content on LinkedIn because it is not good. It is a very professional tool, as I already said. So it does not have any limitation on request sending. Like it has limitation you can send 1,000 requests per day. But 1,000 requests is a lot, I think, for per day. So you can make 1,000 connections. You can send 1,000 requests per day, and I think if 200 people is accepted your request, so you can make 200 connection per day. And by offline and other sources, you cannot make 200 connection in a day. So I think it is a very, and if you are a good in searching or the something, so you can maximum make 1,000 connection per day. Okay, and 1,000 new customer per day, you can say like this. You can target 1,000 your customers. Okay, so it does not matter that many people don't accept your request. As I said, like if you send 1,000 requests, I think uh, uh, if most of them are not accepting your request, let's take a minimum number. I think 200 people accept your request if you send 1,000. So okay, so maybe you have a few connection or maybe so why are people not accepting your request? Because maybe you are a newbie or you are a very few connection because people don't people don't have a level of trust of newbies, but you need to try and send as many as request as you can. Okay, so uh, the how to approach or how to send the request. So that there are two ways to send the request. One is simply send the request, click on the send request button to the people and simply send and let them take the decision they accept or not. And the second way is like add a note like why are you sending like okay uh, why are you sending or why you want to make connection with them, or you can simply praise their work like you can simply praise their work, but and also make it personalized with their name and their work. And okay, so I already told you like we can send 1,000 connection requests per day. And the okay, so and the other tools, and the second way is like for cold email, you can use Snow.io. Snow.io is a very good tool for sending B2B, so to get B2B leads, to generate B2B leads. In Snow.io, you can search people by their industry, and it's a B2B tool, so you can not get their personal email IDs, but you can get their professional email IDs like related to their company. Like you can get, yeah, you can get email IDs uh, following by following the domain of their company. Like the like I think okay, I am giving you an example. Like you can follow like my email ID is Himanshu Verma, sorry, Himanshu at the rate Himanshu at the rate digitallinkway.com. So digital linkway is the my domain, and so and like Himanshu Verma dot Amazon.com at the rate Amazon.com, and the Rohit at the rate TataMotors.com. So this type of email you can get from there, and you can connect the people on the related to your business. Okay. Like if you are in a, okay, so let's take you are in a digital marketing field, so you can connect the CEOs and the other uh, CEOs and the other employees of the companies related to your field, and send them the personalized message on their email IDs. Okay, from LinkedIn, LinkedIn also we can get all email IDs, all our connections. Okay, sorry. From LinkedIn, we can also get the email IDs of all our connections. So okay, so this is a very good thing. Like you can get 30,000 targeted customers, and you can get their email IDs free. Like 30,000 targeted customers email IDs for free. So uh, think like how good is the tool. You can get 30,000 uh, email IDs and connection for free of their and the most important thing is the 30,000 people are targeted and related to your industry. Okay, but remember one thing: never send mass email to one person. Like don't spam the don't send spam emails to a person, and don't send mass email. Like you don't send 2 or 3 emails per day every day to a person, because it's not ethical and against the policies of the internet world. And if you do this, you can get reported by the people like a spam or a spammer. So reduces your credibility, your email credibility. Okay, and okay, so the third way is places where traffic is already there. Like go to the places where traffic is already there. Like okay, you should keep putting content on your website, but yeah, it's a good thing. Like you should you put your content on your website or blog, but at the same time uh, put the content on the places where traffic is already there, like on the social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and uh, and the blogging sites where traffic is already there. So it will take time to come to your website also on search rankings. Like yeah, if you but the other websites are already in the search ranking. Yeah, it is very important. Like the other website are already in search ranking and very high DNPA. Like Facebook, Instagram, and the Google and the YouTube are very high D have very high DNPA and the other. So you do. So do you want to reinvent the wheel? So the thing is like you don't need to reinvent the wheel. The wheel is already there. Use the wheel. Okay. So the I am giving you some example where you can uh, put your content on free and get traffic, and it is also good for your make connection, and you can also get backlinks from there. Okay, so the first is Quora. Quora is a very good website, and in the question answer form where you can get targeted customer, because in Quora people come Quora for ask relevant questions. So you can answer their queries, and you can attract them on your blog or website, and you can also sell your services the answer from in the answer. Okay. Other is medium.com. Medium.com is a free blog site where you can post your blog, or yeah, you can write. If you write blogs for your website, you can also put your blogs for medium.com, and you can get direct customers from there. To You can also attract customer for your blog, and you can also solve their problems. And okay, and the third is add content in forms. Content in forms, like you can use Google Forms and the other type of forms. And okay, the and fourth is SlideShare. SlideShare is also a very good tool, and this is the website which is owned by LinkedIn. So yeah, SlideShare, where you can post the content in the PPT form. Like you can create PPTs of your content and post there, and many people, uh, anybody can download your PPT from there, and you can get your website link or something in the PPT, and you can get backlinks from also there, and you can get clients also from there. And the most important way and very good way to get clients is Facebook groups, because you can you need to search for relevant Facebook group from your industry and join the Facebook group. And in Facebook groups, people ask queries regularly, and you can directly connect with them by answering their queries and in very personalized form. Like if anybody asks any personalized query, you can ask, you can give the answers, and you can pitch your services directly from them. Like you can say it like this, like yeah, I am giving you the answer of this query, but uh, if you want to get more, uh, if you get more services of mine, you can follow me on this or something, and you can check my blog, or this is the, yeah, like you can pitch your services from there. Okay, so other is like Reddit. Reddit, yeah, Reddit is also a very good website for get backlinks and make connections because it is very high ranked by Google. And the other is Fiverr. In on Fiverr you can get freelance work. Like this is the freelancing website. You can get direct client for your work. Like Fiverr.com and the Upwork.com, Freelancer.com, 99design.com, and Worto, and these are the things. People per hour, Design Crowd, TaskRabbit, Writer Access, and make notes if you want to get more out of them. Like these are all the freelance website like Fiverr.com, Upwork.com, Freelance.com, 99design.com, and Worto.com, PeoplePerHour.com, Design Crowd, TaskRabbit, Writer Access, Hercelas, and Skyward. You can get targeted and some more like Digester, uh, Clarista, Kijiji, professional websites. Okay, and the other ways you can also create a landing page with a clear call to action. You can get leads from your landing page. Like you you can also use lead magnets to attract customers. Like give something free to them and to take their email IDs and to subscribe their. Okay, so the and you can also use Google My Business and also create your business profile. So the by Google My Business you can search easily by local customers or local audience. So it is very also very good way to make a very good presence in locally in your area. Okay, and the other way is like reach out to niche best bloggers, yeah, and podcasters. If you are following a certain blogger or podcaster and he or she tells you about my content, then the value of my content will be a lot higher. Like okay, yeah, this is a very good way. Like you can also help of influencers. Like you can also help influencers uh, like if an influencer have a very good audience on some platform, like let's say YouTube, if a YouTuber have very good audience, so you can directly approach them to add your uh, add your services on his YouTube channel or add your product on his YouTube channel, so you can get direct customer from their channel because the influencer already have the very good audience. Okay, so the other thing is get your PR and get featured on your stories, some newspaper. Other thing is uh, get featured on Joe Stock TED Talks if possible. But yeah, initial stage, I know initial stage on the initial stage it is not possible, but you can gradually reach on the stage if you work on your skills and your work regularly. Go to meetups. Go to meetups. Meetups is online meetups or the offline meetups. You can directly go to like for meetups.com and the co-working meetups, environto.com. You can know about nearby meetups and also go to paid events because pay, it is very important to go to paid events because if you join some paid events, so then the chances is very high get you can get 100 times more value because there are two reasons to that you can get definitely get 100 times more value than free. Because if you go to a free webinar, so uh, you don't pay that much of attention. First thing is this, and the other thing is the speaker also don't care give you so much value, because the nobody want to uh, nobody want to give you everything in or for free. So the paid events is very important. Okay, so there are some other ways. I am not giving you in depth in this. Like you can search on. Yeah, I am give some in depth research on the some other video. Okay, so the name is like influencer shout out, and the other is content around your business or your blog, customer testimonials. Yeah, it is very good thing. Like you can attach your customer testimonials, like your if you give some services to your customer, so you can take testimonials from them, like the feedback for, or something, and the reach out the people and tell that them you can what you can do for them. Directly reach out the people and tell them what you can do for them, like pitch your service directly. Okay, and the other way is spy other businesses funnel or by spending money. Like okay, this is also a very good way. Like send spend your money on similar to your businesses, and research them, like what your competitors are doing, what your competitors strength. Research on this by spending money on their courses and study their courses, and you can get many more by doing this, and do work for free. Yeah, if you are just starting out, so do work for free for 2 or 3 clients and get testimonials, because at the starting point testimonials are very important, more than money. And and do webinars and join also webinars, create webinars for free to attract customers. Okay, so this is the thing where you can get the customers and how to get. Okay, so that's all for today, guys. Like how to get clients, how to get clients online. So let's meet on next video, and